Every day, we are faced with a lot of things to do, from house chores to work, and of course, other daily activities. With the amount of stress we go through, it might break one down health-wise. This would warrant that you see a doctor. However, not everyone would be able to get a proper medication, maybe due to financial restraint or the attitude of self-medication, which in most cases will not solve the health issue. Medical experts say a proper diagnosis is effective in solving health problems.
Diagnosis is an art of identifying a disease from its signs and symptoms. So it forms the basis in giving the right and effective treatments to patients. Making a good diagnosis involves having a very good history. History is the story the patient tells the healthcare giver about his or her symptoms. It is very important that the patient tells the healthcare giver the truth about the signs, about the symptoms he or she is feeling about that particular disease condition, so as to give the healthcare giver a preformed idea of what is happening. Examination findings. These are assessments that the healthcare giver does on the patient to be able to elicit for signs of the complaints of the patient, and also to pick other signs that are already on the patient which are not obvious. The results of these investigations serves as the support for what has been gotten from the history and examination. Making a diagnosis can either make or mar the outcome of an healthcare received, because any diagnostic error can result in delay in receiving a prompt treatment or also not receiving an effective treatment.
The role of diagnosis in healthcare delivery cannot be overemphasized, as it doesn't only give adequate knowledge of the disease, but also guides the medical practitioner on the right treatment to administer to the patient. So the next time you fall ill, ensure you undergo a diagnosis, as this will aid your recovery.